Today's video, I'd like to talk about why one may want to try PuppyLinux. The PuppyLinux distribution was originally created and programmed in 2003 by Barry Collar. He's Australian and he's semi-retired now, but what distinguishes a PuppyLinux distribution from other general Linux distribution is that the size is very small, so mostly under 500 megabytes in size, and core Puppy gets installed into the RAM, so it is uniformly very fast. So if you look at it in a graphic fashion, this core, which includes a kernel and all the drivers and a window manager and file manager, all gets installed in RAM. And the rest of it, the save folder, user configuration and downloaded apps and so on, gets is available in internal hard drive or USB stick. So we'll take a look at the menu here. So the core application that comes with a F96C4 in this case includes programs such as a calculator and even a home bank, which I never used. But you can certainly download and install the LibreOffice, which is a equivalent of and compatible with the Microsoft Office suite. So Genie LeafPad is a text editor that's also come with a core PuppyLinux in all the PuppyLinux distribution that I'm aware, and I've elected to install Genie, although Genie also comes frequently with other distributions. So in F96, the browser Firefox ESR comes already baked in, but generally speaking, the Firefox is not available in a core application, but you have to install it separately. Now, why do you may want to use PuppyLinux? One other reason, it may sound a little strange, but I like it because I do not need to worry about root access. So in Ubuntu or all other Linux distributions, for example, if you want to take a look at in the external hard drive here, you have to go through the sudo and root access to gain a root access. And in PuppyLinux, it's just simple click into whatever USB stick or whatever, so you can gain access. But of course, you have to be cognizant that you do not want to particularly delete a file that as a root, if that may be dangerous. But I've had actually no problem, and I think as a general home user, I don't think you have to worry too much about not having to worry about having access as a root user rather than a particular regular user. So that's sort of my comment on quick overall view of PuppyLinux. And